Let's build on this as we explore how these patterns connect to quantum reality. The quantum world breaks all the rules we know from our daily lives. Things can exist in many places at once. Particles can connect across space instantly, and the act of looking at something changes it. These aren't just weird ideas. They're how reality works at its smallest level. Think about a coin spinning on a table. In our normal world, it's either heads or tails when it stops. But quantum particles can be like a coin that's both heads and tails at the same time. Scientists call this superposition bizarre, where something exists in multiple states until we measure it. This isn't just a strange theory. We use quantum mechanics in many modern technologies. Your phone's processor relies on quantum effects. GPS satellites need quantum calculations to give accurate locations. Even photosynthesis in plants uses quantum processes to turn sunlight into energy. One of the most fascinating parts of quantum physics is how particles can link together in ways that seem impossible. Two particles can become entangled, so that affecting one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance because it seemed to break his rule that nothing can travel faster than light. But the quantum world isn't just about tiny particles. Its effects show up in bigger things too. Scientists have made visible objects enter quantum states. They've put tiny mirrors, small pieces of metal, and even living bacteria into superposition. This makes the line between the quantum world and our everyday world not as clear as we once thought. The quantum world also questions what we mean by reality. Is something real if we can't observe it? If a quantum particle can be in two places at once until we look at it, what does that tell us about the nature of existence? These questions push us to think differently about what's real and what's possible. Some scientists think quantum mechanics might explain how our brains work. The idea is that quantum processes in our brain cells could help explain consciousness, how we think and feel. While this is still debated, it shows how quantum physics might connect to every part of our lives. The math behind quantum mechanics works perfectly, but what it means is still debated. Some think there are many parallel universes where different possibilities play out.